Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I want to show you guys how you can actually sell used items like used properties, where you can market your used properties, your used item, and receive the cash. It's actually a good thing to give out your used products or your used properties away for free, but sometimes we actually need the cash and we really want to resell our items for money so we can actually solve other problems. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys where you can actually sell your used clothes, your used bag, anything used that you want to resell. So for this video, the site we're talking about is called JiJi. In a few minutes I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually sign up with the website, how you can register, and things about the site that is going to help you make more money. And the good thing about this site is that you don't just sell only used products. You sell you actually market your stuff, your business there, but you can also sell new.
So you either sign up with Facebook or your email address. So I'm signing up with my email address. I go ahead and add my email address, my password, strong password. You go ahead and fill in the rest of the information there. Fill in your first name and your last name. Add your phone number. Then click on register. Afterwards, all you want to do is to go to your email and confirm with the link sent to you. So just go ahead and click on the link and follow the steps that will be shown. So the next thing you want to do is to then set a profile. Click on the profile and click on setting. So under this page, you can just go ahead and change your password and other information near your email. So what I want to do here is to add a profile. Click on your name, the cycle stuff, post your name there. It will take you to your phone gallery where you'll be able to change your pictures. So you just go ahead and click on that and select whatever picture you want to use. You can as well select a state.
The beautiful thing about this website is that if you want to make more sales with this platform, you need to upgrade to the premium version, and we actually have different plans, and we have the plans for 11,000 naira plus. I'm just going to be leaving the real price on the screen for you to see. We also have plans that are a bit higher than that, so whichever plan you want to go for is actually good for you, and it will help the platform to push your product to the front page and to reach more clients and more customers.
So after you must have successfully signed up with the platform, this is what the homepage will look like. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can market your used products on this platform. So there are actually two ways. You can just go ahead and click on this sell icon, and here you'll be able to choose a category of what you want to sell: furniture, printing services, shoes, etc. So for example, let's make use of chairs, furniture. So you go ahead and add your pictures. You want to select the product you want to market. So okay, let me just pause this. This product has been sold already, but I'm just going to be using it again. So if you have a video link to or any other place, you can actually add the link here. Then you can just go ahead and add your title, your region, your food caliber, the brand, the type. Just go ahead and fill in all of this information. And this is not necessary, except you want to give the person maybe your product warranty or time frame, something like that. Just go ahead and add that. Then put in the description your price if you want it to be negotiable, etc. Then you put in the bulk price, that is, if you're selling your item in bulk. Okay, but most of us are selling these items here. We are not actually not selling it in bulk, so just go ahead and leave that. Then here you can also add delivery fee or just leave it plain. You go ahead, and this is automatic, so just go ahead and click on save, add, and post. So for the subscribing to the plans, we have the plans for 7 days, we have the plan for 30 days. Best strength, if you need one fast sell, your ad will be at the top of search results and get clients the same time, no traffic. You have the premium promo, which is this trend if you want to post more ads, allow unlimited ads in furniture, kids, travel. So just go ahead and choose any of these categories that you want to go for. But I advise you to then if you want to take this as a business, then you should go for the one of 21,000 naira. But if you just want to sell the item, then I think the one of 2,800 is okay for you. But I think you can actually go with plans that are lesser than this if you want to sell just an item.
On this platform you can actually sell your services, or maybe you want to do a nanny job, you want to become a school teacher, or you want some part-time job, or you are a freelancer at home. You can actually use this platform to get more clients. And like I said, if you want to get more clients, you need to pay. You need to upgrade to the premium version. And even if you don't upgrade to the premium version, you can actually run free ads on the platform and get sell. So guys, if this video was actually helpful to you and you want to see more content like this, content that will actually provide more opportunities to you as a student, as a mother, whatever you're doing as an individual, please join the community by subscribing. And I also advise you to like this video. It's actually free. And whatever question you have, okay, just leave it on the comment section, and see you on the next video. Bye.